Ẹ káàárọ̀, ẹ káàsán, ẹ dẹ̀ kálẹ́ níbikíbi tí gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ̀ ń gbọ́ mi tẹ́ bá wà. 10 minutes after 1 o'clock ní àárín òru bí Yorùbá ṣe máa ń sọ, bá ti kọjá 12 báyìí ó ti dòru nìyẹn. And it's a time I chose to stay back. Mi tètè ń sùn tẹ́tẹ́lẹ̀ anyway, so iṣẹ́ meeting here, meeting there. So I come in peace. I come with all the love I have to wanted to address in particular the Yorùbá world media presenters, bloggers, ní ọkùnrin, ní obìnrin, ní ọmọdé, ní àgbà. Mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín. Then my other special wishes go to all the Yoruba people worldwide. Recording yìí tí mo ń ṣe with the belief that as time goes on in life, maybe in another 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, when I'm long gone, àwọn èèyàn kan wọ́n á gbọ́ mẹ́sẹ̀jì mi yìí, wọ́n á rí recording yìí. Again, mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí dúpẹ́ lọ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí mo ti mọ̀ because of my journey, because of the journey to in a quest for Yoruba nation, that I have no doubt in my mind that kò sí nǹkan lórí ilẹ̀ ayé tó ń láti dá wa dúró despite gbogbo up and down tá a rí ní díẹ̀. Ká má gbà because kò sí alternative pé ká gba ìlú wa. It's not because of anything, it's because apart from kó jẹ́ entitlement wa, ó jẹ́ nǹkan tí ó máa fi help all our citizens, our people better than ibi tá gbé wá ńsìn. Ibi tá gbé wá ńsìn is a lot of contraption. Mo jẹ́ ẹ̀bẹ̀ sí sọ́lẹ́ńjẹ́ láìpẹ́ pé ọ̀rọ̀ wa ti fẹ́ dọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀rọ̀ George Floyd tí àwọn ọlọ́pàá kan tán gbé ẹsẹ̀ wọn lórí ọrùn ẹ̀ tó ní I can't breathe. Yoruba people cannot breathe. That is the truth. Bẹ̀tí wò wá ní wá jásíkú. Láti ń lọ́gun we cannot breathe nsìn. Because all what we are going through cannot be normal. A lè wà ní àṣepapọ̀ kan tí a ní enough ambience, enough rights, enough anything láti ṣe ohun tó ń wá. Ohun tó ń wá does not include pa fẹ́ máa ṣe nǹkan burúkú. But part of nǹkan tó ń wá is to be able láti decide fúnra ara wa bá ṣe fẹ́ kí ìlú wa ṣe rí, bá ṣe fẹ́ kó rí fún gbogbo wa àti fún àwọn ọmọ wa. A lè wà ní ibì kan tó jẹ́ pé àwọn kan ni wọ́n máa decide nǹkan tó bá ṣẹlẹ̀ sí wa tí wọ́n bá fẹ́ ni. I give a good example. Incident tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ní Àkúrẹ́ àbí lọ́wọ́ àbí l'Ondo State. Ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn èèyàn àṣẹ ń wá bí tí telephone number Inspector General wà. Fóònù ẹ̀ bóyá oúnjẹ breakfast lọ́wọ́ ni. Mo kàn fi ṣe example ni o. So ọ̀n ṣayé bẹ́ẹ̀. Tí mọ́tò bá kọlu ajá nílùú òyìnbó within a short period láti pé ambulance wọ́n máa dé ni. Bẹ́tà a lè ṣe yẹn ní as long as we are with under present constituted authority Nigeria. So tá bá wà láyé wa a lè ṣe gbogbo nǹkan tí ó máa dá fún àwọn èèyàn wa lọ́kùnrin, lóbìnrin, lọ́mọdé, lágbà. A lè create àwọn àǹfààní tíró àwa ń jẹ mo tún repeat mo pé tí n bá repeat àǹfààní tí mò ń jẹ lóyìnbó bí mo bó ṣe ń bí àwọn kan nú bẹ̀jẹ̀ má bínú bẹ̀yẹn kọ́ mo bá wá nínú broadcast mi yìí nǹkan mi ni mo bá wá. A lè ṣe fún àwọn àgbààgbà wa, a lè ṣe fún àwọn ọmọ wa, a lè ṣe fún àwọn tó ń jẹ́ disabled láàrin wa. Wọ́n lè ṣe bí wọ́n lè enjoy life bí òyìnbó ṣe ń enjoy life ní Germany, ní Canada, ní Japan, ní America, ní UK. Ẹ wo ọjọ́ tá ti wà ń díẹ̀ 62 years a lè tọ́nà a lómi a lọ́nà a ní nǹkan kan gbogbo ẹ̀kan ti ẹ̀dá bá wa ní kí ló dé àdẹ̀ṣẹ́ lọ́hùn àdẹ̀ ń pe Ọlọ́run. So àwa tá a wá believe pé enough is enough. Ntọ́mọdé bá tó bá ń yẹ kó lóyún ọkọ yẹ kó lọ́kọ wá lè pé ó yẹ kí nǹkan kó yẹ kó ṣe àti wá come together. I'm also conscious pé not everybody ló wà in support pé ká lọ sìn yín o bẹ̀tọ̀ ọdún wo la tún fẹ́ lọ́ngbà tá a bá fi 62 years gbélé wèrè ìjọ òun á fẹ́ já. And that's why I'm one of the strongest believer with exit Yorùbá relationship. It has to be now. It has to be now. And like I said, kò sí alternative sí desire wa láti fi Nàìjíríà lẹ̀ because ibẹ̀ yẹn ló máa ti benefit àyòmọ́yé àwọn èèyàn wa. Having said this, I have tried and I will continue to try till the day I die to support any efforts, all efforts to my results. Agbalewa. Like it's the best thing that can happen to Yoruba. Having done all this, as you all know, I've been a member of Yoruba World Media. We have been disseminating information the way we see it. Some of them are accurate, some of them are not, but again, it's not part of what I want to tell you. Olabode rán wa ṣe. We are making progress. Despite the fact pé àwọn kan sọ ta ló rán yín ṣẹ́, àwa la rán wa ṣẹ́, àwa la rán ara wa níṣẹ́, a dẹ̀ ń ṣiṣẹ́ yẹn. À ń jíṣẹ́ tí àwọn national leaders wa tó rán wa, táwọn náà dẹ̀ jókòó tiṣẹ́ yẹn takuntakun tó ń ṣe, and àwọn tó ń support wa, tá à ń rí wọn pé inú wọn ń dùn pẹ̀lú nǹkan tá à ń ṣe. And we continue to do it. So after a period of time tí ti wà pẹ̀lú Yorùbá World Media, mo believe pé ó ti tó time kan tèmi náà láti tún fún àwọn ẹlòmíì tàbí ẹlòmíì ní opportunity to continue. Bí àṣà senior sister mi hàn gbóyìnbó á ní continue. So I want somebody to continue tèmi bá stop by. So I've known that in my mind that having done all what I've did, tọkàntọkàn. So Yorùbá lọ ní tínú bá ṣe gbá, á lè ṣe wò. Mo fi 100% of my time, energy, and everything. And I was lucky when I had the time. I'm using it day in, day out. Ọ̀sán, òru, alẹ́, àárọ̀. Níbikíbi tí n bá wà. Ọ̀rọ̀ kí Yorùbá ká gba ilẹ̀ wa ló jẹ mí lógún, kò sí nǹkan mi. Ó dẹ̀ wá bọ́ sí àsìkò tí mi ò ní tension, tí mi ò ní àwọn nǹkan àti jẹun àti ṣe gbá àti ṣe nǹkan kan ní ìfẹ́ rán ọmọ rẹ́síkọ̀ ìfẹ́ ṣe gbá kò bọ́ sí àsìkò yẹn, àsìkò tí mo ní time ni, and that's why I have dedicated, done everything láti support his campaign. So gbogbo àwọn àtàdéjọ́ ń ṣe, Olúwa máa gbàdúrà gbogbo, Olúwa fún wa ṣe. So again, mo fẹ́ fi àsìkò yìí sọ fún all the members of Yorùbá World Media pé mo fẹ́ fi position chairman of the honorable group sílẹ̀, knowing fully well that we are not short of excellent leaders. So whoever is the next leader going to be, I will be giving 100% of my support to make sure everything is working well. We made some progress, and I just hope we improve the progress that we make. Then for all the people out there, I must say, I want to appreciate you. So this message will eventually go round. There will always be some people for you, some people for against you. But there will be some people, they might be very close to you. But like I said, everybody, the love they want it for me, and also for the hate. Reason, but here you go. Oseni, hatred on campaign good luck to them. Mo fẹ́ appreciate àwọn because probably but dada mo fi bẹ̀rẹ̀.